good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now this gonna be a special little video right here. You know what I'm saying? This is like, I think, my 50th video. Been on YouTube for about going on 6 months now, and I thought I'd do something special for my subscribers. In a way, kind of get back for y'all supporting my videos. Getting my views up, getting my subscribers up. All that good stuff. So with that being said, man, got a little giveaway for y'all. But of course, like any other giveaway, of course, there's gonna always be rules, certain stipulations and things like that of that nature. So with that being said, man, for this giveaway, I know y'all probably wondering, like, what am I giving away? You know what I'm saying? Am I giving away a shirt? Am I giving away, whatever? If you see the thumbnail, you know what I'm giving away. But I'm still gonna show y'all what I'm giving away. You know the box by now. You already know what it is, man. So of course, this is a GS pair. Size, get that to focus real quick. Size 7Y of the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Now, a lot of people are saying this is like the self-proclaimed, sneaker of the year. Of course, it's a Chicago colorway, beautiful shoe, great details, it comes with some crazy stuff. And of course, it's gonna be a dead stock pair. I'm not gonna give y'all nothing, no used pair. It's gonna be a dead stock pair. So I'm saying, maybe I want to get y'all, a late Christmas gift for somebody, maybe a birthday gift, or maybe you want to make some, quick cash, do a little quick flip with these. But whatever the case may be, whatever y'all choose to do with these sneakers, that's up to y'all. I'm giving away to one lucky subscriber, whoever that may be. I'm not gonna show no favoritism. I'm not gonna, just pick people I know. I'm gonna pick random names out of the subscribers I have that meet the requirements, for the giveaway as well. But with that being said, speaking of the requirements, y'all should of course it's gonna be something. I can't just sit up here and say, all right, here you go, here go the shoes. So there are a few requirements I have set in place. So for those of y'all that do know me personally, my birthday is in the month of December. With that being said, it's December 29th. So I got a goal I want to reach for this YouTube channel, by that date, and that's to get around 500 subscribers. Now, some people might think that's a lot of numbers, at one time, but listen, I already have 347 subscribers. So with that being said, man, I only need like 150 some odd more subscribers. And I know it's extremely possible to get to that number, by that date. But as long as y'all do these few things for my, giveaway rules, then, we're gonna be straight. So of course, for one, you gotta be subscribed to the channel, You gotta be a subscriber. Gotta be, on the page, on my videos, be connected with the channel in some way by being a subscriber, of course. For two, you gotta repost my flyer on your Instagram story and of course share it to your page. So I'm gonna make a flyer, get that flyer already for y'all, but y'all gotta share the flyer to your Instagram story. As long as you share the flyer, you subscribe to my channel and DM me proof of subscription. You gotta DM me proof. You can't just sit up here and say, oh, I subscribe to your channel. I gotta see proof. So make sure on Instagram, y'all DM me proof of your subscription. And of course, I'm gonna put a link to my Instagram down below. You can always check the, my page as well, the about page, and see what my Instagram link is as well. But I'm gonna post the link to my Instagram in the description. But with that being said, you have to repost the flyer to your Instagram. You have to tag me in the flyer, of course. And you also have to, in your DMs, in my DM, you have to show me proof of your subscription. And that's it, that's all. And I have to have 500 subscribers by December 29th. And I'm not gonna do like early morning, I'm gonna do by 11:59 p.m. on December 29th. That's when I'm gonna end the giveaway. So if I get 500 subscribers by then, you can DM me proof that you subscribe to my channel, you supported my page and all that, then your name will be thrown in the giveaway little raffle, as we call it, for the Lost and Found Jordan 1 guys. Size 7Y, of course, not a man's pair, but like I said, it could be a birthday gift for your girlfriend, Christmas gift for your girlfriend, your daughter, whoever it may be, cousin, sister. What could even be for you? This might be your size. You might be looking for these shoes, they was lost. Boom, I found it. So just like that, man. For y'all, I'm doing this for y'all, for supporting my channel, for getting me to 300 and something subscribers as fast as y'all did. I have been kind of slow in my videos, but like I said, I'm finna be rocking and rolling, the rest of the year here on out, getting more videos out for y'all, more unboxing videos on the way. But I want to get y'all this right here, man, let y'all know that I do appreciate y'all for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos. But like I said, man, those few rules, I just got to get that stuff done, by December 29th. And that way, I can get this giveaway rocking and rolling. All I need is 500 subscribers. you gotta share my video. You gotta share the flyer to your Instagram story. Tag me in the flyer as well, and also DM me proof of your subscription. That's all. That's it. That's all. Nothing major. I don't want no money. I don't want, you know what I'm saying, you don't gotta pay me nothing. You don't gotta come meet me in person. None of that crazy stuff. All I'm gonna do is just want to see your proof of subscription, have 500 subscribers, and then boom, you throw in the little giveaway raffle, and then, you know, may the best subscriber win at that point. But as always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to my channel, man, for watching my videos, for getting my views up, getting my subscribers up, man. Like I said, we rocking and rolling, trying to get that 500 mark. All I need is like 150 something more subscribers, and I know it's possible. It's only like, you know, it's a few weeks, but I know for a fact that if this video gets, you know, the exposure it needs, I can get that, you know, that number in no time. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for what y'all doing for my channel, for what y'all continue to do for my channel. I'm gonna continue to do stuff for y'all as well, man, because I'm gonna show love back because y'all showing me love. And as always, man, like I said multiple times, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.